Today, I have an incredible recipe for tacos. These tacos are stuffed with a flavorful combination of potatoes, onions, and cheese. As always, the ingredients are in the description. I'm going to begin by adding my potatoes to a pot. Then I'm going to cover them with water. I'm also going to add a little salt, and then I'm going to bring this to a boil over medium-high heat, and I'm going to let this cook for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. Once the potatoes are tender, I'm going to transfer them to a bowl where I will let them cool while I work on the onions. Here I've heated up a pot over medium heat. And now I'm adding some olive oil. Once hot, I'm going to add my onions and give them a stir. I'm going to let them cook for about 5 minutes, then I'm going to season them with a little salt, and then I'm going to stir them again. I'll be stirring the onions every 5 to 7 minutes. And I'm making sure to scrape the bottom of the pot, because the onions will stick. And you want your onions to look something like this. This will take between 30 and 40 minutes. Now that the potatoes have cooled, I'm going to peel them. This is easy. The skins basically slip right off. Next, I'm transferring the peeled potatoes to the pot with the onions. Then I'm adding butter, garlic salt, and black pepper. And I'm going to mash them until smooth. So I tasted the mixture and I decided to add a little more garlic salt. This is optional, I just thought it needed it. Now I'm adding some shredded cheese to the potatoes. I'm using mozzarella, but Monterey Jack is a great option as well. And I'm just going to mix this until well combined. Now I'm going to work on my tortillas. Here I've heated up a skillet over medium-high heat, and I'm going to let my tortillas heat up on each side for about 7 to 10 seconds. I prefer heating up my tortillas in the skillet rather than the microwave. Depending on which brand of tortillas you use, they can often stick together when heating in the microwave. Now it's time to assemble the tacos. I'm going to spread about 1 tablespoon of the potato mixture onto one side of the tortilla. Then I'm going to fold it, and then I'm going to repeat the process with the remaining tortillas and potato mixture. Next, I'm heating up a skillet over medium-high heat, and I'm adding just enough oil for frying. Once hot, I'm going to add 3 to 4 tacos at a time, and I'm going to let them cook for about a minute. Then I'm going to flip them over and continue cooking for another minute. Then I'm going to transfer them to a paper towel lined baking sheet to absorb any excess oil. And I'm going to repeat this process with the remaining tacos, adding more oil as needed to the skillet. We like to enjoy these tacos with shredded lettuce, sour cream, and plenty of queso fresco. Of course, you can always top it with your favorite salsa as well. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching.